Hey everybody, Derek here, and today I'm going to show you how to be Homelander. So, let's get started. So you have to reset back to your original Roblox appearances, and then wait, hold on. For the hair, you have to get this one. This one's called the blonde have back hair. So let's go back. Let's get started. So you have to copy this URL right over here, which is for Homelander's suit, and then click here. Now we have Homelander's shirt, and now we need pants. And now we have to do the blonde. So you have to pick this one, which is the blonde have back hair. So since this is on, now you need to have a cape that looks exactly like this one, which is the American cape. You can either use this one. This looks a little bit like Homelander, but not really. But oh, and I gotta get back to the original one. Nope, that doesn't look like a cape. Take this off. And now, wait, whoa. No, this is like the wrong cape I used. I mean, we need to have one that has like a little bit like the Roblox logo. Oh, there it is, right here. So you need to now. You're gonna want to scale this down, and then you need to make it a little bit short. So this is Homelander. So guys, I'm done. There you go. There you have it. That is how you become the Homelander, the coolest superhero ever. Now let's fly to the blimp. So we gotta put up a little bit of victory pose. I mean, no, not the victory pose. I mean, you need a superhero pose. Wait. And now we are stuck. Oh, we're free. We're free. We have to go to animation and you can use this one. Wait, we're stuck. You can use this, like, this is the one I don't really want to, so I don't want to use this one, so I'm just gonna have to go without it instead. I mean, Homelander doesn't, I don't know if Homelander does this one. Alright, see you guys into the next video. Goodbye.